yeah. I guess everything worked out fine. So, Joe, everything worked out fine for the birdie. Oh yeah, Chick Little was gone. Mama came. I had to get away. I had to move around first in order for that to actually happen. So we are doing just fine. I'm just trying to kind of secure where I'm at, y'all. So y'all have a nice day. Saved a life. That's all that matters to me is that the life was saved. It's not about um, whose life. It's about a life that was innocent, that was not hurting anyone, and that was doing nothing but trying to live. Think about that. A life. Y'all stop abusing each other and stop abusing animals and stop abusing ones that cannot help themselves. The helpless people, the the young, the autistic, the ones that just don't know any better. Take care of yourself. Nice day.